Hog Wild doing monster truck rides on the final.
It is a real life, completely functioning monster machine, alright? You gotta get around that. Never ridden a monster truck before? You have no idea what you're missing out on. And if you have ridden one, then you know how much fun it can be and you want to ride it again.
So check it out, you guys. It's Hog Wild, sponsored by TC Ranch and Oil Changers. Bob Johnson, some love.